Yo, welcome to MFing Overhaul UHC. This is a round organized by Change and Pet Demon where whoever top frags this is going to organize the next season of it. It's quirky and goofy. Oh, hey, Gunner. I forgot I was in this channel still. I'm specking a round right now. Wait, how did FTS go?
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah, I am.
Never mind.
Just DM me. I'll look at my phone.
Oh my god, so much work, but okay.
Let me get on my phone real quick. Yeah. Everyone say hi to Gunner at my viewers. Oh yeah, no, that's not surprising, bro. People in that roster cry so much.
It's people that I didn't expect. Like just it's I don't know what to say. I wasn't saying a word that entire day.
Nope, you're the villain. You're evil.
Oh, exactly. Okay, when you're done with that, I want to go through that entire recording with you and show you that.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Alright, see you, Gunner. Alright, now back to the game. I have to close out of apps on my phone. If you top frag give me co-org, look at you. So the teams for this. Oh, I should probably leave this channel. Alright, I think my winner pick, I don't know who it'd be. Actually, it's kind of hard to tell a winner pick when it's moles. So, it's biome bundle. Everybody's gonna mine crazy good because rates in this are vanilla because there's no way to adjust rates in an imported world. It's really crazy and awesome. Yeah. Hey, vials, the fall damage. What are we doing? Oh yeah, it's meta as well. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Just what? Oh my. So yeah, the border was like 3 million for this. So I had to like adjust the map size to like not have it be goofy. Yo, Rohan Smash. Oh, I haven't adjusted my speed. Rohan Smash. What are the sends for this again? Timber, biome bundle, craftable teleportation, moles, cut clean, hasty boys. Wow. Hey, don't worry about the the 30 million, is it 30 million? Yeah, 30 million border. That's normal. That would have been really bad if we scattered into that. Like, the server actually would have just died. I don't even blame fucking Codrake for not noticing that. I noticed that because I'm the only one that gets psychopathic about borders. So. Oh my god, nice little gold vein for quad. These caves are fucking huge. Kelowisum. Already full iron. Shot in, silly. No, building bard, come back. Building bard will be back. Thank God, I was worried. Oh. Ooh, there he goes. Anybody mine well in the diamond department yet? Oh, Karn mined some diamond. Oh, and Jerry mined some diamonds. Oh, Foster Panda, what are we doing, mate? Karn already made his own enchants. Do you have any? Oh, he has 9 books. If he finds more diamonds, could definitely see him going for a sharp 3. This cave is quite expansive, although it's not a many diamonds in it, by the looks of things. Building bird is back, thank God. Final heal? XD, XD. Scary pumpkin face, go away. I got Kelowisum, already a large quantity of gold. Biome bundle is fair and balanced. Extremely. applied your ops. Yes. Yippee! This config I'm like. That's when XC 50% reduced when the chance on fire flame. Yeah, this all looks normal. Oh wait, teleporting border's on, isn't it? Joseph, oh man. Oh, Borneo, sup, Jet? Jerry's already mining well. I feel like everybody's gonna be full this game. Inshallah. Making sure that's set. I think it already was set, but... Oh! That's not good for you, A-Viles. He's gonna find gold. Oh, never mind, not if he staircases. Oh yeah, quarantine, I get a sharp 2 diamonds. Coochie Kakpo with the 8 main. GG, mate. I'm gonna check my private. I wanna see people complaining on the timeline. I love RR drama. I love art trauma. It's so fun. It's so fun to read. My god. He is 3/4. Sheesh. If I keep that's fucking crazy, bro. I'm very curious as to what the multi will be for this, whether it'll be busted or not. He could kill it up to 19 diamonds. You know, everybody's gonna be stacked this game. Is Jerry full? I don't know. He's gonna be full though. Actually, no. He's probably make a sword and a gems. And be one off full. These sandstone caves actually have nothing in them. Like, if you're caving in this area, you're gonna find nothing. Be Rohan. Rohan's pretty stacked. I need some more. It's like a 6 vein. That's just gonna make him full, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, where is he going to? Oh no, I thought he was going to the gold. Token's full diamond? Oh my god, Freelo. And a skeleton. Power 1. Power 2. Quad's up to 17. Oh my god, Jerry's up to 34. 39 even. Buying bundle's very fair and balanced, guys. Killer's with a 31. Holy shit. People are mining so much. It's Ep 1. Like. Riffer only has a chest plate. Oh, he has 100 gold mine though. It's pretty oh my god, CJ's gonna be full too. Karn's at the 26. You can be 3/4 as well. No, 30 actually. One off a full. Oh, there it is. Buy bundle's really fair. Oh, see you guys next time. I'm gonna split now.